Now let's do this again.
No,
now we're recording.
For the record, I am officially taller than
She's like 1 inch taller than me.
Okay.
Look, let's go back.
Okay. If I just go stand there, you guys will both shut up. So. Shakira looks taller though. Lies.
Do I look taller?
Wait, from a scale, Amanda looks like your height. Like, from like a scale, so let me just get this angle.
Stand far enough away.
Okay, Amanda, stand next to them.
Look, we're like
It's like I'm shrinking.
No, but Amanda's the oldest, so it doesn't matter.
Look.
You don't look short.
Are we the same height or not? No. Okay.
I don't know, you guys look the same height, but...
Yeah, and
Okay.
I'm not tiptoeing. And
Okay, wait. Oh, by the way, look how different we all are. And by different, I mean racially different.
I'm the same color.
You're the same color?
She's so
Wait,
Turn it
Benita,
face red, you can do all
Benita,
of
you're what?
I'm black.
You're a quarter black, right?
She goes,
You are.
Yeah, I promise.
Shakira, you're not black though.
I'm not. I'm Nigerian.
Okay. Amanda.
Like, sorry.
Sorry about it.
You don't see
It is exciting. Please go to Baltimore. Please.
Yeah, and then
Everyone's like, shut up.
Be like, damn.
What is that?
Right? She knows what's up.
Whoa.
So yeah.
What's wrong with your eyes?
No, oh my god.
Excuse you, I do not have anything.
There's no Chinatown in Baltimore. I thought every major city had a Chinatown.
Me too.
No, I don't know. There's like buildings.
I thought they had Little Tokyo too.
Really? That's Los Angeles.
No, they have Little Tokyo.
Damn,
in
don't act like you
New
know.
York. They do. They do have Little Tokyo.
Oh, it's a teacher.
Oh yeah, my brother got me this necklace.
that's
Wait, it's
cute.
right there.
That is-
It's a little apple. Wait, is
That-
that apple?
oh,
in it?
yeah, it's an
that's
apple.
cute.
Yeah.
I was like, is
Why
that a
don't you use
tooth?
the
Yeah, it's really
like
cute.
face
Which one?
lips if you
one
turn
that-
it this way?
Front face camera.
Oh, I can't do it when I'm recording a video.
You have to start at the beginning.
Yeah. Oh, and it's also like a really unflattering angle.
Oh, yeah.
Like, I'm like, I didn't know I had 4 chins until I got this iPhone. I was like, wow.